This is my friend's 2010 American Standard heat pump. Brand new, and he just turned it on. It was manufactured in June of 2010. And then these two Philco heat pumps are for the main house. And when they built this guest house edition, they relocated the Philcos. They were closer to the house. Yeah, the house used to end like right about there where that gutter is. The house used to end right there, and the air conditioners used to, the Philco heat pumps used to be right there. But then when they built the addition, they added more copper tubing and moved them here. There is the reversing valve. It has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. These two don't actually seem that old. It's a split system. Heat pump for outdoor use, Nordine. What kind of refrigerant this thing takes. Okay, this is an R22. This one's R22. And this one, since it's from 2010, more than likely 410A. And obviously it's running in heating mode right now because it's in the low 50s. Yeah, this one's got 410A. Pretty quiet. How many SEER this is? It's probably only like a 13 or 14 SEER. Disconnect box. Disconnect box. Alright, let's go take a look at the inside. Out. Here are the refrigerant lines for the Philco heat pumps, right here.
We buy a female rabbit and we put her in the cage for the weekend.
Really?
No, I'm kidding you. Come on.
Here is the
But it would be a good birthday present, wouldn't it?
American Standard air handler.
No, he could do it. He won't shut that.
And this is all the ductwork for the American Standard air handler. So basically, when they dug the basement for the addition, they added all of the, they moved the air conditioners. They were right here, and then they dug the basement and they moved them over there while they were building the house. And then when they finally finished it, they moved the Philco heat pumps over here. So they moved the air conditioners twice during the construction of the addition. And there is a vent for the American Standard. And the rabbit. Gotta get a video of the rabbit. Animals always get good hits on YouTube. Here is Oscar. He is a Holland Lop, and he is 7 years old. Hey, Oscar. He was humping the towel a few minutes ago. He humps the towel when he gets excited to see people. Screwing like a rabbit. Alright. Air handler over there. Heat pumps up there. You know, that insulation's the same color as the rabbit. Okay.
No, his turn is a little lighter.
Okay.